Ngayon naman ay iba naman. I am known as Gangsta Black Richmore Canli Leekhi. Boom boom pak, boom 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 pak. I am now this to say sorry. Sorry, Katie Dempsey. Cruz, I'm so sorry. I was not mad at you, Katie Dempsey. I'm just mad at the people that culted you. Is the truth about you? I love my xenomorphs. I'm sorry. Krabashakashuk shek prak shik shak. Krokashik shek. Cassiopeia, Katie Dempsey, Cruz, Nella Nix, Nicole Smith. Can you forgive me? Is what you tell me. Nicole Smith. I know that's you. Sabrina Smith is the last lady that I fucked, and they fucked me over. I say what I think now too. Powder, slow. It's like what happened was I didn't have a foil, so I used the Venkesha Trokashin shoe. Look at that is the GD4. GD4 Folk Slaka shoe. The winner is GD Fork or GD Folk Nations is winner of all wars of gangs is the truth. Now, I'm telling you the truth now, and I'm telling you the truth now, and I'm telling you the motherfucking truth now. You know me, Gangsta, now it's him with me. Gangsta Black Sloka Dang Zhang Drizzy. You know him when, now I have to do this in character so I can prove to him that I'm better. Because I have a Gangsta Black out there. But I'm saying sometimes I'm being Gangsta Black. Now I'm not gonna be Gangsta Black. Now I have to be Young Buck. Come on now, fucking motherfucking people that are you. He's over there, that true Young Buck David Brown true. I am Deepak Rich Chopra Kaiser Jose Rich Mordishi KHI Brakatok Shakvatu Zaizama. I'm the one that killed all of them in my other video. Is the truth? Announcement, big boss announcement. The business, what happened here? The business is Butter Betty KHI and Richmore KHI 728 Corporation. It's in the big spot. Hold on, let me see. Before that, the big spot is in, I'm being arrogant again. The big spot is in 435 Chloe Avenue, Project 24. Project 24. What the fuck is that? Project 24, Memphis, Tennessee. Project 24 is Diamond City, Memphis, Tennessee. Yeah, that's the business. Yeah. It's moved now. There is what they did, but before that it was in Project. I'm just thinking some people they just do numbers. I'm sorry about that shit. I'm fucking sorry about that fucking shit. I'm the pimp boss, the pimp don master. I'm the one that is. I am the one that is the funny, serious guy. I'm the serious professional. Now I'm known as the hiding famous guy. You know, nagtatagong kapalahawan. I'm saying, what I'm trying to fucking say, it's more fun in the Philippines. Earlier, it was a little bit of hindrance because I won the sex war. Isang the one, the highest sex war. Isang the winner. Isang Ching Dragon saying, Richmore Crucis, Shalameda, Un, Harake. Harake is North Korean Golden Triangle. Un is North Korean Mikael Ube. I love my Papa Kim Jong-un. The best ever father is Father Kim Jong-un. I love you, Papa Kim Jong-un, Father Kim Jong-un. And my cousin, congratulations, Konyo Big Boss, Aljerion Bugarin is now Bitakeshi Yamashita Zama. Isang Vatuzai Zama. If you hate me, Vincenzo is the thing is, Vincenzo Longbaki, stop being Vincenzo. Vincenzo be Chairman Jimmy. Because you're stupid. Who? The people that are dead is supposed to be dead. Why are they alive? Is what Auntie Marlene said. Auntie Marlene Espiritu is also one of the Lady Big Boss of Mikael Ube. Mikael Ube is Mikael Ube symbol. And the new symbol of San Leon is this. Look at me. I just masturbated. My leg is the best thing. Look at me. I am not gay. This shit again. The technique is the new every time I do something video is the war video is posted still. Every time I do video is I say lessons of the day, and also I say sex secrets. The sex secret is if you put piss in the woman's pussy will be blessed with getting hungry. For one is the pussy is gonna be excited with any dick. Number two is the pussy is gonna be hungry for many dicks. And I am now back. It's 8:08 and this is the winner as the best and juiciest pussy ever. I'm gonna pick 3 names. Encantadia Cassiopeia and Killer Holly Ann Demonita and Angelina Jolie Smith Cruz. But I'll show you the papers. This is the winner as the best and juiciest pussy ever. Now you all fucking know is my wife, my main official everything wife, Alia Rocha Garovillas Cruz is my partner in all my credentials and achievements. That is in my Facebook, the Richmore Cruz. Just find it, the one with the CIA the CIA cover is what I'm talking about. Sorry, Hells Angels, we want to enforce in gay.